Okay guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. This time we have, I don't know what this is really, or should I say I do know what it is, I don't know if it's real. And no, this isn't some figment of my imagination. Patent date on this is from the 1900s, or like literally October of 1900. To me it just doesn't look like it has the casting of something from that time period. I don't know. I haven't been able to find out much about it. I know the action's bad. It's all stuck up, and what it does, it's for leather. It's for punching the rivets or squeezing the rivets down. I don't know what you use this little anvil for. And then there's a vise on the back, and the vise in here. So I mean, it needs a lubing up, but we're gonna clean it, strip it down, throw it in the Evaporust, and do something with these castings, because it's cast bad. We'll make it look like it's actually a good tool. Anyway, something new for you, something unusual. If you find out anything about this thing, don't hesitate to tell me in the comments. I mean, I found listings of it on eBay, and that's about it. That's all I found. So, without further ado, let's get this stripped down. We'll throw it in the Evaporust and see what we got. Okay, it's actually a couple of days later, but you know, with Evaporust you can leave the stuff in there for a while, it doesn't really matter. And see what we got. I also found some black paint on the back of this nut. When I say paint, it's probably Japanning, and I will not be Japanning these tools, because I like to be alive, and I know if my wife would kill me if I did that. So we're going to paint it up, polish the nuts, and we'll be good with that. I'm pretty sure this nut seems very bright. Anyway, it looks like it's wrought iron. Can you see that? Who knows? It's definitely not machined, that's for sure. But talking about the casting, have a look at this. I hope it comes up on camera. Can you see how wonky that looks? Looks like one of those House of Mirrors type places. Anyway, let's get this edges buffed as best we can. We'll go around with the die grinder, clean it up, and I'm very confident it's going to look a whole lot better than it did to start with. So let's get to it. That is a product of the fix it, restore it, lathe process. That's pretty damn good. I like that. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. A little bit of spinny action. Alright, we'll put some acetone on here real quick just to get rid of the dust and any oils. And then we'll be using the satin black paint that already has the primer in it from Ace Hardware actually. And no, they don't sponsor me. I don't know if they sponsor any channel. But that the spray paints with the primer built in seems to be pretty good to me. That seems to be holding up well on the other tools that I've done. Anyway, I'll rub all this down, hang it up and paint it real quick before that rust starts to come on it, which this time of year, thankfully today has been the first day that actually starting to feel like we've got a bit of coolness in the air down here in Southeast Texas. Now it's actually time for Bandit to get his treat, because he's been a good boy. I think he's been a very good boy. You've been a good boy, Bandit? Watch this for an aggressive, highly aggressive pit bull mix. So aggressive. That's a good boy. He likes coming to the shop because he gets his treat. He's a good boy. Alright, it's next day. Everything had a chance to dry up nicely overnight, and I think now is time to do a bit of magnet fishing. And I caught a whopper. pop some little rivets in there. I'm being very presumptuous with this. I've got no clue if that's actually what it's for, but that's the only thing I can think of, is to actually put the rivets in. And then we'll finish it off with this little cap. Alright, that was a nice little restoration. You can see the action is, I can do this with my finger. It's lovely now. It wasn't hard as hell. I don't think this I'm probably gonna sell this. I might just stick it on one of my displays. Because I mean, it's not, I don't see how anyone would use this. Maybe a hobbyist. I don't know. Anyway, this piece here, I'm gonna to give you a quick demonstration of how that works. Right. So you get your piece of leather. This is an old belt of mine. And if you want to rivet the two pieces together, you obviously have to get the rivets. So this is the one piece. I don't know if it's going to be long enough, it should be. And that goes on there, and then what you do, you stick it in this anvil. When you line them up, and you press, it sets it together, just like that. So that's actually quite a handy part of the tool. So I might actually keep it for that if and when I start doing leather working. But other than that, that's it. Nice little tool. Like I say, if you find out anything about this, or you know about this, drop a comment in the comments below. So I'd be interested to see what if it really was a real, you know, or fake. I can't see how anyone would want to fake something like this, but anyway, that's it. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.